Hello, this is Steve Milton, and this is my MongoDB MVC project demo. There really isn't a whole lot to this project to really show. This is when it first starts the application. Just the generic API with the values that are there. For us to get into what we actually have in our database, we go into books. We add that as a parameter because that's our base override for this, and then it's going to show up whatever records it has in the JSON file. I can also do let's copy this thing here. We can also do an ID. We have a default ID override as well that we can do. So if I just put the ID in there as a root level one, it'll just pull up the record with that. If I just want to pull up, since it is just a standard JSON file, if I want to pull any records that have a category of computers, and it pulled both records because both of them have the category of computers. So other than that, that's really everything. I mean, there's not a whole lot to this one. So thank you for your time.